Liam sat by the river's edge, his eyes following the fireflies as they danced above the water. Their light seemed dimmer this year, and the thought of the festival being cancelled left a knot in his stomach. The air was cool, carrying the scent of pine, and the gentle rustling of leaves filled the night.
"Hello, young one,"
came a tiny voice from the shadows. Startled, Liam turned to see a firefly, its glow a soft blue, hovering beside him.
"Who are you?"
he asked, curiosity and a hint of wonder in his voice.
"I am Flicker, and I need your help."
The firefly replied. Liam listened intently as Flicker explained the problem. The villagers had stopped believing in the magic of the fireflies, and without belief, their light was fading.
"Without the glow, the festival will be lost forever,"
Flicker said, a note of despair in his tiny voice. Liam clenched his fists in determination.
"We can't let that happen. There must be a way to make everyone believe again,"
he declared.
"We must show them the magic that lies within hope and kindness,"
Flicker suggested, his glow pulsing with renewed vigor. Liam and Flicker journeyed together, visiting each villager to remind them of the magic they had once cherished. They spoke of dreams and the importance of believing in things unseen.
"Remember when we used to wish upon the lanterns?"
Liam asked an elderly villager, his eyes alight with nostalgia.
"Those nights were filled with wonder,"
the villager replied, a smile spreading across his face. As Liam and Flicker continued their journey, more villagers began to remember the magic of the fireflies. Liam watched in awe as their glow grew stronger with each story shared and each heart opened.
"The light is returning,"
Flicker buzzed excitedly.
"It's working!"
Liam whispered, hope blooming in his chest. The night of the Lantern Festival arrived, and the village was alive with excitement. Liam stood with Flicker by the river, watching as the villagers released their lanterns into the sky. Each one carried a wish, a dream, and a newfound belief in the magic surrounding them.
"Thank you, Flicker,"
Liam said, his heart full.
"No, thank you, young one, for reminding us all of the light within,"
Flicker replied, glowing brightly. With the festival saved and the fireflies' light restored, the village basked in a renewed sense of wonder. Liam watched as the fireflies performed their luminescent ballet, a reminder that magic was never truly lost, only waiting to be believed in once more. As the final lantern disappeared into the starry expanse, Liam knew this was a night the village, and he, would never forget.